This is where we stopped in the last video in this Squarespace blogging series, blogging tutorial series. So in this video, let's see how you can delete all these pages and create them again. This in a sense is acting as our blog page. So if I click on this, this is what is acting as our blog page, and you can see these are basically blog posts, and this is how the blog page is like. So if you're using this theme, this is how your blog page is going to be. And if you choose this as a home page, then this is how people visiting your page, this is what they'll see as a home page. So let's go back and we're going to see how we can create this again. So let's just delete it, just hover, and then we'll delete that. And about, let's see what about has, and about has looks like that. You can also delete this page. We're going to create them again, and you're going to see how you can create any page that you want to create. And the blog demo, if I click on that, you can see this is also a blog. This is the icon that represents a blog. So I will delete this one as well, because we'll create it later on. Contact, let's see how the contact page looks like. So the contact, you can leave the contact page because you can use it later on without really having to edit much here. And here we have the home. So any pages that are listed and are not linked, these are not in the main navigation. Any page that is here under main navigation, that is a page that will be here on the navigation. And you can see now we have contact. And if I was to drag this up, we can also add it to our navigation up there. So pages which are here are pages which are in the main navigation. So here we also have donate, and if you need donations, you'll need to upgrade your account so that you can use the Squarespace e-commerce features, and this will use some of those features, Square, PayPal, that you'll need to upgrade your account for this. And if you want to see the pages that you've deleted and maybe you want to restore them, you can just come here under deleted pages. And remember, I'm on version 7.1. If you're on version 7.0, you'll probably need to go into trash and you'll find the pages. So I'll just click here under delete, and you'll see that these are pages that I deleted and you can restore them. And you see this and this, as I said, they have a similar icon. That means that they're more of a blog type of content type. So let's go back. And of course, before I end the video, let me show you how you can create any page, how you can create different pages. So let's say we want to create a page called About Me. So the home page, I'm going to leave it. So let's say we want to create a page about me. I'm just going to come here and I'll click there, and I'll click there, and I can create a blank page, or I can create a page based on page layouts. So let me click on page layouts, and you're going to see that it will give you the option to choose a different type of layout, and this will come into your site, and then you can just edit them. So if any of these are of interest to you, then you can choose one of them and use it for your content. And we want an about, so let's see what options we have here for about samples. So if you like any of this, choose the one that is more appealing to you. For me, I want to start with blank, and I'm going to choose a blank page. And as soon as I do that, it's going to ask me to name a page. Then give the page a name, and let me call this page About. So you saw that when I was creating the page, I chose to create it from here, but you can also create it from here. If you choose to create it from not linked, it will not be added to your menu. You can see this is already added to my menu. If you don't want it added already, you can just drag it and bring it down there. But I'm going to put it up there. Now we're going to design the pages later on. Of course, the next thing that we need to create is the blog page itself, because that's the sole purpose of this Squarespace blogging series. So I'm going to click there once again, and I'm going to go under collections, and here under collections I can create a blog. You can also create portfolios if you have them. For this, I'm going to create this blog, and of course I need to choose the homepage for my blog. So what's it going to look like if people go to my blog page? And I'm going to choose this design because I like that design, and that's the one that I'm going to choose. And of course I need to give it a name here, and I will call it just blog. If you're creating a news website, maybe you can call it news or whatever you want to call it. It entirely depends on the site that you're creating. So you can see it comes with default posts, and you can just delete them. If you want to delete any of these posts, just hover and then delete the post. Or if you want to edit it, just click on it and you'll be able to edit the various content for your blog post. And we're going to come to this later on. For now, let us just discard the changes here. For now, let us just discard changes and discard. And let's go back into pages. So in this page, in this video, you've seen how you can delete the pages, how you can create the pages, and how you can create the blog pages. And if you don't want them to be on the menu, you've seen that you can create them under not linked. So that's it for this video. In the next video, let's come back here and we're going to do various settings for the blog before we start creating the blog posts themselves. So I will see you in the next video. If you're not watching this video in a playlist, make sure you watch it in the playlist so that you can watch all the videos consecutively. So I'll see you in the next video.